We are the BRS Motorsport team, a non-profit association of students from St. Augustine in Germany, which works completely independently from our universities. Every year we build a new fully electric race car to participate in the Formula Student competition all over Europe to compete with different Formula Student teams from all over the world. Over 70 team members from different fields of studies work on this interdisciplinary project. We use 7 control units in our car, which we design and develop on our own. To create them, we begin with a simulation in LTSpice to check the basic functionality. After that, we create the schematic and layout in Alsim Designer. This makes it possible to create complicated designs including functions like impedance-controlled routing, high-speed designs above 200 MHz with length tuning, and complicated switch regulators designs. Due to our bus systems like UART, CAN, USB and SD bus for our SD card applications, we have high expectations for our hardware design. The placing of the components on our PCBs is done by our own. Our main focus is to build a safe car, because on the events in the summer a fellow student will drive the prototype. So, due to good engineering practice, we have to test all functions beforehand. Especially critical signal lines are very important to test for us, because unstable signals can be corrupted by EMC due to the electrical powertrain of the car. Furthermore, we have no possibility of data connection to a computer with our oscilloscopes. This makes it very hard to create a professional documentation of our projects. And that's the reason why we need your support. We want an oscilloscope with more features because we want to improve and learn more about our designs. Only this way our skills can be better and we can gain a better understanding for circuit technology.